Alright, y'all. Ever since I've been doing these GLD videos, y'all have been going crazy with the comments and crazy with the likes and loves and shares on all my GLD videos. Y'all had all type of questions, so I wanted to ante up the video to link up with the homies at GLD, and I wanted to answer y'all questions. So with that being said, y'all know how we do it. Let's get right to it. Roll camera. What's good, YouTube? It's your homeboy Camcorder Banks. Welcome to my channel, Coolin' with Camcorder, where you will get content focused on streetwear, sneaker content, and menswear fashion. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit that like button, drop a comment down below, and let me know you rocking with the team. Now, while you at it, go ahead and follow my Instagram channel. This is where you'll see photos that's based on some crazy sneakers, some crazy creativity, and some crazy fashion. Now, before we get started, you know what? I feel like I gotta change real quick. One second. Alright, that's a hell of a lot better. Now, before we move forward into this whole thing, I just want to give y'all a heads up that GLD has got their vintage tees and their shorts in. Now, y'all know I'm serious when it comes to this t-shirt game, so I'm serious when it comes to something like this. Now, this whole thing, it looks completely new, but at the same time, the wash on here, you have the gray wash that's on here to give it that old touch, and you have that old school hip hop CD look. So, if y'all are into t-shirts like I am, especially when it comes to streetwear fashion, just know that GLD actually have those pieces for y'all. So not only will you be able to get jewelry, you'll be able to get their shirts, and you'll be able to get some shorts. Now, with that being said, let's just move right on. Make sure y'all stay in tune for the entire video, because at the very end, I will have a stylish lookbook for y'all, how I styled up the chains that I'm about to show you all, and how I mixed up my style and added a little flavor to it. Now, with that being said, let's go, man. All right, first thing first, a lot of people have been dropping comments back to back on a video that I have dropped for the GLD chains, and I'm actually excited about it. I appreciate y'all. So y'all been asking a number of things, and I want to make sure that I answer them for you. Maybe I have missed some. Make sure you just want to re-up on that information. So with that being said, let's jump right into these questions. All right, now the most questions that I am getting is, how long is it going to take for GLD to ship this package off? Actually, it doesn't take long for them to ship it off at all. If you are shipping anything, it might be a little slow, and that's not on GLD. It's actually due to the whole shipping process of what we're going through in this global world pandemic right now. So just be chill. It won't take long. You'll get your package. And if you're doing anything customized, they have the dates that how long it should take, depending on if it's like a regular chain or if it's customized. They will give you an anticipated date on how long they should be able to get it fixed for you, get it all set up for you, customized, and shipped out to you. All right. Now, second one is, how does everything look when you do get the package? All right. So now let me show y'all how we supposed to get to this package, because it's kind of a 2 for 2 in this situation. Now, I got a couple of things. I know you all seen my Miami Gold Cuban link chain, and I have a couple of new chains added on to the team now. So I'm actually excited to show y'all all of these chains that I have, because you all asked a lot of questions about that as well. When you first get this box, the first thing that you can anticipate, that GLD box. When you do get this box, you get your box, you can open it up, boom, you got your piece, you got a bag that's on the inside of here. On the inside of the box, you'll have like this soft felt fabric that's on the inside, like a safety precaution for your chain. Whenever you're taking your chain off, place it back in the box. Don't just have it sitting anywhere around. That's how scratches, how blemishes, how damages come to your chain. Make sure that you are taking care of your jewelry whenever you get it. After you have taken your bags out the box, these two bags that you'll see, the bag that you get is pretty chill. You can stuff whatever you want to on the inside. You can carry it around, but it's not just for decoration. What I want you to do is always keep in mind that GLD is looking out for you. What you will have on the inside of this bag is another cloth-like fabric. You see that? What you will have is this fabric. It's a cloth-like fabric as well. This is to protect your jewelry. The name of this game is always about maintenance. Whenever you have jewelry, it doesn't matter, plated gold or if it's solid gold, it doesn't matter. Maintenance is key. And if you're not taking care of your jewelry, if you're the type of person that want to go buy a plated gold chain or a solid gold chain and just want to wear it and sit it down anywhere, that's up to you. But at the same time, you shouldn't be complaining about it having some type of damage if you're not taking care of your chain in the first place. Come on, fam. Now, I know a lot of people been asking like, yo, what's the difference of having like a plated gold chain and having a solid gold chain? I might as well go with the solid gold chain. If that's the case, fam, go with the solid gold chain. It's not that deep, man. GLD actually has those type of chains both for you. You can either have a plated gold chain for those that don't have the funds like that and they want to be more fashionable and have some fun with chains and everything, and fun with other type of jewelry and accessories that's given from GLD. or you could go to the solid gold chains. If you got the bag for it, go get it, fam. If you got it like that, you shouldn't be complaining about somebody else going to get a plated gold chain and they want to be more stylish. If you got the bag for a solid gold chain, go get the solid gold chain. They offer that to you. But the best part about this is, so for all the people that's asking about all these different chains, like, what type of chains do they actually have? Do they only offer the Miami Gold link chains? Not at all. They offer more than that. And I'm actually excited to show y'all real quick what they offer. Now, first thing first, I got on my two favorite gold chains that I have on right now is my rope chain and my Miami Cuban link chain. Let me show y'all. Alright, now those are my two. Y'all already seen that in videos before. Y'all can go check those out. I'll give y'all the layout and descriptions about those. Now here, let me just lay out a few things. I have a number of different chains and I just want to show y'all real quick. I don't want to hold y'all too long, but I'm finna just run through these real quick. Alright y'all, now with everybody asking if they only have Miami Cuban link chains, the answer is no. Here I have a number of different rope chains that are my favorite. If you don't want to go big and bulky like I did, sometimes you just want to calm it down a little bit. This is the route that you could go. You could go for a slimmer chain at the same time. You can measure up the difference. You could either go longer or you could go shorter. Whether you have it closer to your neck or longer away from your neck is perfectly fine. Now what you have here is the white gold chain that I like. This is a rope chain as well. In the middle you have another rope chain. This is the gold plated chain. And then on the far side here you will have your fully solid gold chain. The white gold chain is one of my favorite chains because sometimes I like to mix up. I want to have gold and I want to have a little bit of white gold at the same time, so it makes it pop and shine just a little bit. So if you want to have fun like that, you absolutely can. Now when it comes to solid gold and when it comes to plated gold, a lot of people are asking like, yo, what's the difference? Now these two chains here are so damn near close to looking identical that it doesn't make any sense. A lot of these companies that's out here usually have chains and they look extremely cheesy as hell. Like, I mean that cheesy nasty ass gold, the ones that make it look like they pushed the saturated button all the way to the extreme and it just looks extremely too cheesy and too gold like. But here they have a really close and identical look when it comes to this style. When you're trying to compare these two to how gold each one looks, some people can't even identify. That's how good these chains really are. This is your solid gold, this is your plated gold, and they look damn near, like I said, identical. Shout out to the GLD team for making such a good chain. Now a lot of people are asking like, yo, how can I get solid gold but I don't want to blow the bag like that? GLD offers that for you too. This is a nice rope chain and it actually doesn't cost that much. It's not that big of a bag. Now I know I just broke those three chains down to you, but I still got two more to show you because these boys are fire and I'm excited to show them off. Now let's get to it. Boom! I got two tennis chains vibes. I always wanted to have some tennis chains. You don't have to be too flashy, and if you just want to stand out just a little bit but at the same time be classy and casual at the same time, a tennis chain is the way to go. So let me show y'all how these look real quick. Boom! When the light hit the ice, it twinkle and glisten. Look, let me go ahead and give y'all a real quick clean look. I'm ready for my close-up Mr. DeVille. You feel me? Boom. Alright, come on now, you know that's tough, man. I had to go ahead and get me a tennis chain. I've always wanted to have a tennis chain and I wanted to have something that was legit. I've seen a number of different tennis chains and I mean, I had to keep it funky and I had to go with GLD. I wanted to give y'all a first-hand look of how it looked when I got it. I wanted to give y'all my first reactions, and my first reaction is it's actually fire. When you wear a tennis chain, I didn't know if it was gonna look right on me because I am a bigger guy. So for those guys that are like more built or you're bigger or whatsoever, size doesn't play a game in here, because if you wanted to wear something thin, you absolutely can, and if you wanted to wear something big, you absolutely can as well. And I had to get me something that was real thin. I wanted me to have something small. Whether I dress up, dress down, be in streetwear, I could get away with the smoothness anywhere I wanted to without looking too flashy. And yes, I will stack them just like this. And the best part about this is, if you wanted to layer on the chains just like I did now, I have another rope chain on here as well. If you want to layer it on on with those small, slim chains that you have, you absolutely can. You can mix them up from big and small, and I'm gonna show you in my video. Now, with that being said, I just ended this off real quick. Hopefully I answered the questions that you asked. I showed you some new things, so I want you all to go check out that website. Go see what type of chains you want to pick out, because I'm looking forward to find out what type of chains y'all got. Now, for those people who are actually trying to buy a GLD chain, I will have down below a link that you can actually use in order for you to buy a chain. Go ahead, check that down in the description below. I want to make sure that you are just as clean as I am, and I want you to have some fun. Now, with that being said, I'm about to get up out of here, man. I'll holler at y'all in a minute. I'm out, I'm gone. I'll holler at y'all. Peace.
Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, state your name, been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain, stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything. Swimming, you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming. I put my low racks on it. I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it. See the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin. Money clip, I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action, bitch, I'm active. If he never heard of been dope, he just napping. Jackson's